Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to build your Godot game as an HTML5 WebGL game that runs directly in a web browser. I already have a simple 2D game scene ready. If you don't have a project yet, click the link above or check the description for a simple starter project tutorial. First, open Godot and load your game project. As you can see, I'm using a simple 2D scene. It could be a platformer, top-down game, or anything basic. This process works the same. Before exporting, always make sure your game runs correctly. Click the play button and test it. If there are bugs here, they will also appear in the web version. Now, go to the top menu and click Export. If you don't see a web or HTML5 option, we need to add it. Click Add Preset and choose Web. If Godot asks you to download export templates, click Download and Install. This is required to export to the browser. Select the web preset. Set the export path and file name. Now, if you're testing your WebGL game in Safari, you might see an error like cross-origin requests are only supported for HTTP. Don't worry, this is not a Godot problem. It's a Safari security rule. This happens because you open the game directly from your computer using a file path, like file/game.html. Safari blocks WebGL from loading game files that way. To fix this, you must run your game using a local web server. Here's the easiest way. Open the folder where your exported Godot web files are. Right-click and choose Open in Terminal or Open Command Prompt. Now, type python-mhttp.server8000. If that doesn't work, try python3-mhttp.server8000. Press Enter. Now, open Safari and go to http://localsyshost:8000. Click your game's HTML file. Your game should now run perfectly in Safari or any web browser like Chrome or Firefox. And that's it. You've just built your Godot game as an HTML5 WebGL game. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Godot tutorials, and check the description for the starter project link.